Hello, dear students, good morning. I am going to start with the reading part of the lesson today. And the name of the lesson is our sixth lesson, Our Environment. ENVIRONMENT or environment. Okay, children, we have already completed the explanation part of the chapter. Now we are going to do the reading part in today's class. Okay, what is environment? Our environment is made up of our surroundings. SURROUNDINGS, surroundings. When we look around, we see living, LIVING, living and non-living things. The living beings, LIVING BEINGS, the living beings and non-living things make our environment. Plants, 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 ANIMALS, animals, and humans, HUMANS, humans are living beings. Air, AIR, air. Water, WATER, water. Land, LAND, land. And buildings, 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 or a few examples of non-living things. Pollution, POLLUTION, pollution. Pollution is an act, act of causing harm, HARM, harm to our environment and making it dirty, DIRTY, dirty. Our environment gets polluted by some of our own activities, ACTIVITIES, activities. The most common, COMMON, common types, TYPES, types of pollution are air pollution, water pollution, land pollution and noise pollution. AIR, air pollution. WATER, water pollution. LAND, land pollution. And NOISE, noise pollution. Now see air pollution. Air pollution is an act of causing harm to the air. Some of the human activities that pollute air are smoke released from vehicles, SMOKE, smoke. RELEASED, released from vehicles, VEHICLES, vehicles. Smoke and dust coming, COMING, coming out of factories, FACTORIES, factories. Burning garbage in open spaces, BURNING, burning. Garbage, GARBAGE, garbage in open spaces, SPACES, spaces. Bursting firecrackers, BURSTING, bursting firecrackers, CRACKERS, crackers. Now land pollution. Land pollution is an act of causing harm to the land. Some practices, PRACTICES, some practices that cause land pollution are felling of trees, FELLING, felling of trees. Overuse of pesticides, PESTICIDES, pesticides in the soil by farmers, FARMERS, farmers. Throwing, THROWING, throwing. Garbage, GARBAGE, garbage like cans, CANS, cans. Plastic, PLASTIC, plastic and polythene bags. POLYTHENE, polythene bags in open spaces. Now come to water pollution. Water pollution is an act of causing harm to the water bodies. WATER, water, BODIES, bodies. Some of the human activities that pollute water are throwing, 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 waste, WASTE, waste into rivers, 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 and other water bodies. Releasing, RELEASING, releasing harmful waste, HARMFUL, harmful waste from factories, 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 into rivers. Washing clothes in rivers, WASHING, washing, CLOTHES, clothes, washing clothes in rivers. Bathing, BATHING, bathing of animals, ANIMALS, animals and human beings, HUMANBEINGS, human beings in rivers. Children, you go through till water pollution. We will continue the reading part from noise pollution in our next class. Okay, bye children, thank you.